So Spotify has been playing around with a couple of new features that I know you will definitely love. They have recently teamed up with Google, which is seriously very awesome and very much more convenient. So here are few tips, tricks and hacks that you definitely need to know. And also stay around till the end for my favorite hidden feature. So in the past, whenever we needed directions in the Google Map, we could not play our own playlist from Spotify. Well, there is a feature right built into Google Maps. For that, head on over to Settings, scroll down till you see the option for navigation, and once in the navigation settings, you can select your default media app. Set it to Spotify and there you go, you have yourself Spotify playing on your Google Maps. You also get a couple of functions to control the music. Now on the same subject of being in the car, we now have Car View on Spotify as well. Head over to Settings and search for Car View. You can turn on this option to stay always on or to turn on automatically depending on your preference. The layout for Car View is quite simple. You can change the tracks, go back or even select your favorite playlist as well. Now let's say if you are listening to some music and you want to get ready to go to sleep, just click on the three dots, scroll down until you see sleep timer. Click on the option and you can see different timers available. Now if you are listening to some song which you have no idea about and you really like it and want to listen it to on Spotify but you don't know the name of it, just go to Shazam, search for the name of the song and you will see an option to open it on Spotify. There you go, you don't even need to know the name of the song. So Spotify can be Chromecasted to any device that is connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can listen it to on your TV, on your Google Home or even on your alarm clock as well. This is a really cool feature that gets the most out of the Spotify app. Now last but not the least, the favorite feature. If you click on search and type language superstar, you will get a whole playlist of language that you can learn directly from your Spotify app. If you stuck around till the end, I hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon.